Don't try to compete with anybody. Yoga is not about competition. It's about upgrading yourself every day. You compete with yourself, not with anybody else. You should not have a pressure on your back. So always sit like that. Now we are going to do paschimottanasana. It's called west side pose. West side pose. Okay. So body is forwarding and facing towards west side. Okay. This is our west. This is the east. So we call west side pose called paschimottanasana. Now since we have done twist now, then next we do what? We call paschimottanasana. So I will teach you. So again, you go straight. First of all, before you go, just take 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, hold it like that and look straight and feel. Why you look straight? Because you need to keep your spine straight first. Okay, and then hold it, and then after that, slowly you can go down and drop. And come back and relax. Okay, now if you in the beginning cannot do that, so don't worry, you have to do. I'm going to teach you a next method. Don't try to go here, just put it here. Okay, wherever you can go, just go. Don't need to catch your feet. There's no competition in yoga. You just have to get better every time. So hold it here wherever you can. Okay, so for example, another method you can do, you can just fold your knees and take 2 fingers and catch your toes and keep sliding forward like that as far as you can go. Put your knee inside, keep sliding forward. Okay, and even if you stop here, stop it here. Even if you stop it, stop here and put your head down and tuck your tummy inside. And then you can slowly take them forward. If you can hold it here, just straight here. This is the capacity you have developed. And then finally you can go like that. Okay, and then this is how you can do. So another thing which you can do, in the center you can keep. So for example, you still want to catch it, just keep like that. Take this here and put your head here. You can keep it here and put your head here. Tuck your tummy inside. And relax. Okay, so do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Hold in the beginning for 10 to 15 seconds. Don't try to hold more than that. And after that, you can increase the timing. You can go to 30 seconds, 1 minute as per the capacity. But if you hold it every day, you will see improving yourself more.